welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Thank you so much for joining me. It means a lot. Click subscribe, thumbs up. Let's learn Champagne Promise. This is my updated version. 32 counts, 4 walls, 1 tag, wall 8. After 22 counts, you simply add 2 walks forward and then start from the beginning. Here's a preview of the steps. Starting with the right foot, we weave to the left, cross front, side, behind, point left, angle your body on the diagonal, cross left, step back right, shuffle back, rock back, recover half, shuffling, turn, rock back left, recover half, shuffling, turn, and anchor step, walk, walk, triple step, rock, recover, half shuffling step, and a sailor with an angle. That's it. Let's break it down. First 8, starting with the right foot, cross front, step side, right foot goes behind, and left foot points to the side with your body angling towards 130 or the diagonal. Then we cross, step back with your right foot doing a quarter turn over your left shoulder, back. Now I'm facing 9 o'clock with the left shuffle back. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second 8, we just shuffled back. We're going to do rock, recover, half turn, rock, recover, half turn. Starting with the right foot, rock back right, recover left, shuffle, half turn over your left shoulder to 3 o'clock, step together, step. Now I'm facing 3 o'clock. Same thing, but on the other foot, going the other way. Rock back left, recover right, shuffle over my right shoulder, stepping with my left foot. Step together, step. That's the second 8. The counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Third 8. We've got our momentum, so we're going to keep going back with a diagonal touch, and a rock and an anchor step with the right foot. So it looks like this. Diagonal touch, right, touch left, diagonal left, touch right, rock, recover, walk, walk, and a triple step. So this stays in this plane. Just did our shuffling turn. Step back right, touch left, left, touch right, rock, recover, or an anchor step, and bend your knee a little bit, recover, walk, walk, right, shuffling forward. And the counts are, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last 8. Our weight's on our right foot. We're still at 9 o'clock. So we're going to rock, recover, half turn shuffle, and a sailor step. So left foot goes forward towards 9 o'clock with a rock, recover. Now I'm going to turn a half over my left shoulder to face 3 o'clock with a step together, step. I'm going to keep going over my left shoulder with my right foot now. Step together, step. Shuffle, shuffle. Left foot's free. We do a sailor step, but we're going to finish it with an angle towards the diagonal. So behind, side, side. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And I'm ready to start over with the cross on my new wall, 9 o'clock. Let's put it all together with words and then with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, and point. Cross, step, back, and shuffle back. Rock, recover, shuffle, half turn. Rock, recover, shuffle, half turn. Back, touch, anchor, step. Walk, walk, shuffle, forward. Rock, recover, half shuffle, and a sailor step. Good. With counts, starting with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Facing the diagonal of my new wall, 9 o'clock, and we do it again. So the tag happens on wall 8, so we do 22 counts. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, step, back, shuffle, back, rock, back, recover, and a shuffle, half turn, rock, back, recover, and a shuffle, half turn, back, touch, rock, recover. We usually do 2 walks, and then we do a triple step, but now we're not going to do the triple step. We're going to do right 2 more walks, and then start again, cross. Here's the tag. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Replace the next 2 counts with 2 walks. 7, 8, and then we start over. Cross, side, behind, point. That's it. Have fun. Champagne promise. Bye-bye.